Alright, you hungry lot, get in here, because today we're tackling a dish that's a true legend of Pakistani street food, the absolutely sensational Lahori Chana Masala. Forget those bland, watery versions. We're talking about deeply spiced, intensely flavorful chickpeas that are creamy, tangy, and pack a serious punch. This isn't just a meal, it's an experience. A symphony of spices that will make your taste buds sing and your neighbors jealous. Are you ready for some proper cooking? Or what? Now, for this masterpiece, we need the finest ammunition. We've got 2 cans of beautiful, creamy chickpeas, drained and rinsed, ready to soak up all that incredible flavor. Then we have a couple of ripe, juicy tomatoes, 1 large onion, a few green chilies for that crucial kick, fresh ginger and garlic, none of that jarred rubbish, mind you. And for the soul of the dish, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric, a touch of amchur for tang, and a secret ingredient, black tea bags. Yes, you heard me, for that authentic dark color and subtle depth. Plus, fresh coriander and a squeeze of lemon to finish. Because presentation, damn it, matters. First things first, precision in the prep. People, we're going to finely dice our onion. Consistent size means even cooking and no raw bits ruining our masterpiece. Next, get those gorgeous tomatoes roughly chopped. They're going to break down beautifully into our sauce, giving it body and natural sweetness. And for the green chilies, a fine slice, because we want that heat distributed, not just in one fiery mouthful. Smash and mince that fresh ginger and garlic into a pungent paste. This is the aromatic foundation, the very soul of our Lahori Chana Masala. Don't be lazy, put in the effort. Right, heat that pan, a good quality heavy bottomed pan. Mind you, no cheap stuff. Add about 3 tablespoons of neutral oil, don't be shy. Flavor needs a vehicle. Once that oil shimmers, drop in your finely diced onions. We're looking for a beautiful, translucent golden brown here, not burnt. You absolute donkeys. Stir them constantly. Scrape the bottom. Coax out every bit of sweetness. This isn't a race. It's a slow dance to Flavor Town. If you rush this, you'll regret it, trust me. Once those onions are gloriously golden, it's time to unleash the power of our ginger and garlic paste. Stir it in. Let it cook for about a minute until it's fragrant and you can practically smell the flavor exploding from the pan, none of that raw garlic bitterness. Now, in go our chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Stir them vigorously. Let them break down, releasing all their beautiful juices. This is where the magic starts to happen. The pan will become a symphony of colors and aromas, building the core of our rich, deeply flavorful sauce. Keep stirring. Don't let it stick. Now, the moment of truth for the spices. Add 1 teaspoon each of cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and turmeric, a generous pinch of garam masala, half a teaspoon of amchur. And here's the secret.